And cry a dear town for the soul and the moja crona. Oh, Guama ni mojano. Am I a dinko ni moya town for so? I wish I were more quaba. By Adwuma-Adwuma On Ahenkan Fm 93.3 FM. But in fact, I'm more do. Na ya pinada na ya mikrada enti no kwabna foni na abna foni na bichechi amena no pay benim dencha no pay meni ajisa Tuesday bia ya ma wodanti no kwabna fo ye wo kro abna fo na mo sesen. If you were born on Tuesday, the show will be coming on and to me Radiano pay. Good morning. If I send to your union, na Christ no edenya obeba. I wish I were more quaba beyond Adwuma-Adwuma On Ahenkan 93.3 FM. And of course, this is your best mid-morning show. With the super duper producers and the host also. I'm a pay mini DJ Shabu. Many DJ Shabu Emmanuel Jimo. And I watch studio Hanum say so big shout out going out to Kwabena Kosti. My brother. Charlie, you remember to Kwabena Nkana. It's in the Kwabena start here no pay na Kwabena be we nyimre wari ase. I mean chia will be bearer din a feed ya to Ahenkan FM and no pay. No pay mon come on yon to Moyame wate. So if today happens to be the first day, and as you see an award na car ni mo award see praises kama you will be success station ben. Ahaya Ahenkan FM. And of course, a mid-morning show na wutie. And na ye binada show ni ba wa kwemu adwada kosi fiada. Na day bia so ne segment ayeye wo so. It's na koye binada yi Tuesday morning. And na be ba wa kwemu. Did you know? So when you ma pi wo ho me hinta e wa brabo ni ma ene ya sitine ma nyama pi bi wo no mo be ade we na minimi anye se wutie wusabe enye bibia na obehu so we are here sanya ma hinta no be biesu kakra cho. So today, did you know segment no ebeba wa kwemu ye be she won kran no pay ye be ton ade e di nkomo. Pay taxi drivers, I'm tuning in. Store beer with beam and I no pay. Some sports be warm. Yeah, I chim or down in Quantum Honor. I no pay beer. Send away tuning into a Adwuma-Adwuma and Yasam Kitwa. A rare fish may be sold in Facha. And then we are word out. Where they doors near the Ado Prince Mark Junction. So before we do Prince Mark, no fitting shop now only in a bunch anymore. And how much be a messy coin so I may buy Jumemuno. But OTF fitting news the Kosi Aquaba Drive. The referee may be Saudi. No pay me chow. Me chow pa. Yakup on short say they be out here in Ahenkan FM. And now no pay you be better than a video to how it's a minute, no. I stand a new better no the dance here be coffee. Or the any just wrong copan be coffee. Shan komegu abrabo so egu adwuma so ena no pay. Jina ha so Onyankopon akoa. Se baby bera wo chemeni ena no pay. Ah we choose eye Ahenkan FM Adwuma-Adwuma wutie. Ansa na enyu beto ene no. Na program ni din di Adwuma-Adwuma no. Ansa na enyu beto ene no. Na wanya enije ewo wadwuma mu. Say would you dear Chimuka say amen. I don't pay me chia Evelyn Fashion and Design or Chim or the Morning Star. I don't pay my young and say you are in tune with us. Yankupon Shop Evelyn Esther Naomi Regina Yamo Evelyn Fashion and Design and a Jane Yankupon Shaman and a person we're tuning in. Mr. Orbin I done me 50 pesos because I give me Baba Jamadi. Mr. Orbin or Chim Abu Heye. One amazing person. Yankupon Shaman and pay what you need in. Aminchia Ehu. Once we be a sport to our Chim Abu station Hono. Ehuanano Ponshi we be a Yankupon Shapa. Teresa open my dear watching or down new market. When I won't buy you now more when I pay you to HM. Janet Rita Abiba do you correct the chin sister Isala na junior bakuzi. I don't see Abiba it's ya when I no pay. Lucky Alhassa Muntaka Frau Lucky CEO of Lucky Barbering Shop. Our new market in Quantenu Uyiti wa hono Lucky Dado pay it yao. Another corner pen another corner midnight if you are go benu with a see ya will be shopping. And I will do that will do a way, Mr. Obin. Mr. Obin will you I have a barber shushes I give you. What the coin and your papa tumbe and bada. Yes, I gave you a 10 what Mr. Obin on. But the milk coins are tumba boy game now will do now so now keep. Imagine bohum. Again on Quasore and Netie. Prophet Kokofio Drubeka just said, Tie! Maminchia man like Stagger, the taxi driver. That's on a low 9010. Lodi ko achim or damn quanta. I don't pay me chow. Maminchia Mr. Kwabena, the drive time host of Fie FM. So how you let me, Lord. Yesterday was your birthday. Mercy by the finger of the Lord. So happy belated birthday going out to you, Mr. Kwabena. You've been right here beside me through the fire, through the rain. I didn't burn, I didn't drown. Cause you show money. Charlie bro, what's up? Then of course when I don't pay. Of the goodness of the Lord. What's in the end? This is the doing of the Lord. What shall I render? Indeed, what shall I render? What shall I render to you? What shall I render? Hey, I'm in a woman for. I can you. And I'm in a woman. Yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. But in fact, you're back saying I'm so many. I don't know. That's Sebby. I crab when you say, what shall I render? What shall I render to you? What shall I render? I'm in a woman for. I can go. Yamina, oh, me mambo, ay, 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 Yamina, Wamapa, and Yamina, why am I so? This is the doing of the Lord. The morning show, have a blessed day. I don't pay you while wait you. When you feel on my. I saw boy a sound system. So where I some more catch a move from a catch him is Yamati. My end is happy paper. The baby boy no way idea. Radiant super. So once again, my more quaban, I mean, shall be. Of course, a dinner near Brown and a quabna Jimmy. One mile near you was showing me from a copy became a Joe. So I knew the way. Wish I'm a pro, I hope a crime and boomy. That's him. Hello. What shall I render? Your mama Kwaba will be behind with tuning in. Good morning, good morning. Let's enjoy this song. The doing of the Lord. Dinah Hamilton. Let's enjoy this song. When I come back, good morning, good morning, good morning once again. Alhamdulillah. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. By the finger of the Lord, this is the finger of the Lord. You've been right here beside me, through the fire, through the rain. I didn't burn, I didn't drown, cause you were right by my side. I am a living testimony of the goodness of the Lord. Hey, this is the doing of the Lord. What shall I render? Indeed, what shall I render? What shall I render to you? What shall I render? Say, yeah, I'm in a woman for. Can you? And then I'm in a woman. Ay, 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 ay. And then I'm in a woman. And then I'm in a woman. This is the doing of the Lord. What shall I render? Indeed, what shall I render? What shall I render to you? What shall I render? Yamina woman,
Because of what I did, but this is the doing of the Lord. I am still here. I have life and I am awake. Because this is the doing of the Lord. I am still here. I have life and I am awake. Because this is the doing of the Lord. Because I knew the way, but the hand of the Lord, the way maker. What shall I render? 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 And can you be the woman for? And can you be satisfied in your mind?
Alright, so indeed it is the doing of the Lord. We're back once again on your radio. I got a couple of from a tuning in. Yamin Sanka will be we are streaming live on Facebook and YouTube. nyinaa yɛ Ahenkan 93.3 FM ni yɛ caps kyerɛ capital letters wobɛhu Ahenkan wɔ wobɛhu yɛ programs no nti ne mehyɛ ɔkɔpɛ na wahyɛ na obi nso anya bi na wobɛtumi nso adrɔpe wo comment ɛwɔ hɔ birthday wish bi bɛtumi de afa hɔ sanso na wopɛ sɛ wokyia obi ma mehu baabi a wotie me firi baabi a wohwɛ me firi na show bɛtumi de afa yɛ text line na WhatsApp 0533898915 and I'm also streaming on my personal Facebook line. I share video ni wo ho scratch Kobe Jemfi on Facebook ko ho no obetimi enya show ni bi nso a share and I know our daily dose of motivation. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery no mo so yasne. My yeshe won crane too for brainy na. So wedding be na wo pese wo ye. Wo birthday party be. Mo say see a birthday na ba no mo ye photo shoot for birthdays. First no na be ni ho. Na she na ba. And into no quality picture. Now while they are shaman from my post on your birthday, and there's one more post Mr. Kwabna pictures in your moon who is an need a horn. And I would often be celebrating anniversary being the birthday. A shower no person will your frame picture be and a framework be the commander. Color Studios is your number one place. Jumeko, police for fire service, tailor for Evelyn in Colano, Teresa also in Colano, Ophelia, Madam Ophelia, who New Market, also no one Colano, Miss Ramon. She had their flags in it, there was a ultimo branding who yepa, and it's no pair La Cause be now one brandy within woman. It's the one winning company needing, no shop needing. Come. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Say Chebin no person who throw within go any community police for guy back could be a tab a year embroidery hopper. The banner colors and running a year police service crest now to any was not Ghana police at to each baby. Very nice. And in the show Color Studios and Digital Embroidery be who you require. I watch more than Liberty Transport. We are in the bone anymore. And if we cannot pharmacy and I will call Liberty Transport. First gate in a in the bone in Shenima Bron sign and in the bone anymore. I want Color Studios and Digital Embroidery be who you require. About your friend, no book your appointment. That was 0245-276-638. 0245-276-638. Konako looking nice on that special day. I can't let in home for ni kama. So DJ Links when I pay one man share you in tune with us. DJ Links over a Adwuma stores. Roman sorry in China. Ale upo na ne dia wasem timbaji bi no ma minkushi aka ho a the only boy or system no more ton po na ni nkushi a ba hide ne so ne de so na no pay dia me din now and it should be there for others but never leave yourself behind. Be there for others, but never leave yourself behind. sewa na no pete mi pa. Yesi wo ho man krofo. Ba enja wo hu we chire. Ashimo Yesi praye wo ho ewi baako a ebu okabo mu a embu No broni so beka baby say 2 heads are better than one Enintini so hana men so ha no eno na be boa ma etimi apegi ade ne ntem Eninti wo boa obi a mehira wo pan ate ne ye Oh, what obi se wo boa obi wo situation bi a wakomo. The shop am boa no ntra ne nja wo ho we chire. Let me break it down for you now. I had one friend. The guy is so caring to the extent if I can't able to move 10 cities. Now Oshia will be 90 panisha comedian. The guy is also on his way to Gotedian. Bobeshi will be a comedian. This guy will turn that 10 city no Edia money per crore. No other than Abefi. This simply means you've been there for that person away who behind. So if right now we do fear, na be 1 year bi, and I will go you mutwe kuruna ko that hospital. Aye hwan na aye. Waboa onipa. O Kristo ni bia dia wo so ye no. But make sure you don't leave yourself behind. Chino papa ye bia wo ye bia no enye embroso odwini onipa woni adamfo na modwini na pomudin ho odwini nkoso ho odwini na brabo mu hye no bedi ye mesra wankasa watena se adwin wa brabo mu hye na wonsu bedi ye wadamfo e di pa wo pa emfa ne se wadamfo ko construct Oko construction. Wosu di na echi kwa construction mo koswa concrete ne niama wadanfo na aje contract. But as a good friend, opese wo boa wadanfo no wie ni yi. So you are wasting all your precious time ni na. Edi aboa wadanfo na fitiano pa kosie nyumre na mapon abefi. You are being there for that person, that your friend. Oh, what honor supporting a boy. But have you thought of it? Say, me spend this time we are boy madam for then I miss me yamame. So it's just simple. It's not snatching who ye. Be there for others, but don't forget, say, once we don't go along. And don't leave yourself behind. Don't leave yourself behind. Senka construction you cry. Ukuano pana ukobuano around 12 so minia. Mabeboa wan so adibia. Tin pese me so me wo so na me kohwe. Me half ade be koso so amame. Simple. You are not leaving yourself behind. What support your brother? Now you have to go and sort your own. You have to push yourself. So wherever you find yourself, whatever that you are doing, don't expect someone to push you a free step 1 or step 2. After being there for your friend, make sure that you get time for yourself. Don't leave yourself behind. taxi driver who check me and no pay. Wait with taxi na be 3-4 years. You were expecting someone to obey you. I saw one sir, Ediki Asha one sir. Some talk about Dabi. You have to push yourself. Also, be no be push your mouth. The ones that you would drive is a car, no. Oh, born in kakran. Then you are saving something. Now the name now be sir. When second work and pay be a hallelujah. So it is just determination and then readiness to push yourself to the higher grounds. And open your coupon shop. Now me more reinforce to say, be there for others, but don't leave yourself behind. I mean, try my home brush is here, me bar. We'll give you the second part of the show. Then I'm a minimal dream. I'm called Donku now. I'm called children back. We don't find me half five. I'm called baby ever is here.
Hello. Beton kasa.
I'm on for. I'm sure you. After the match, who said, don't co ventures. So money my boy for papa. So you'll be a opera so ye engagement. And I said, party beer, abafi, program beer, we beer. Nasa wouldn't say, and a bayadia, and a don't co ventures. Say beer, make us say, opera, soft drinks, and I said beverages. And then your cacao, your beverage is I had a head. So lano, Ninano, a don't co ventures. Some can't say, so pay beer to opera by quarto. One a was sport, and one a program. Now what pens at 2 na Yadiamo about 40 a don't co ventures, and I was up. Yay, main distributor, Adema Casa Preco, Company Limited. Ye near Chiri, Yawa Kem or Daha, Yawa
Sony Star Prizer.
I Ben Jubilee Hospital, a hopper, and I'll be here. Ubetimia Frey 0555 486990, and now say 0556 252668. Don't co ventures. Ya basse. There be a wako to Tanyama and Nibwardin. Ya Babet Teswama. Only a nigga. The one you bet shit.
Let's go.
A month for or a passe, we air hostess, flight attendants, our Ghana airport, or a passe, obey Jumas clearing agent, forwarding agent, our Tama Abo, and answer Takrade Habana, or per se, we are Juma as tour guide, our Kakum National Park, Elmina Casa, na Kwame Kuma Mausoleum, or per se, we are hotel manager, NASA receptionist, a housekeeper, our hotel, or per se, we journalism, newscasting. And a news reports now. Any Piaye Bakope and American Formal. Global School of Aviation Management. Global School of Aviation Management. A school be yetitin for our aviation courses. A bit say hospitality management, tourism and culture management, airfare ticketing and reservation, passenger handling, maritime management, shipping, port operations management, media and communication, cargo handling. Courses when you na obetimi the 6 months aye. No when your certificate. Certificates are awarded by ICM UK. Requirements here obetimi the Abayi School SHS, awaited resource, and answer 1C, diploma, HND, O and A level degree be our bit mediaba. It sounds so Global Remedial College, courses are SHS Nina, a general arts, home economics, business, general science, agric science, visual arts. Your special vacation classes for SHS students. Your child acquire any rubber. Your Kentin Chrono are a BK and UST. And as a reflection, so I'm more comment to cause your hostel available are Neboya Fupa. Global School of Aviation Management. Or pay a child acquire frail and home true for you. 059 58 47 184. Mrs. Subim 059 58 47 184. Anna 0245 05 2166. Anna 0245 05 2166. And I say 055 33 41679. Mrs. Subim 055 33 41679. Global School of Aviation Management, the only life-changing institution.
Ohimami anka mbojuma e wompem na asema eme wompem pa o.
Minia Kawakuma to yem Amaje Herbal Clinic Esa Enyaduwe nyina wonomo Esa Enyaduwe bi to say Bema wayemre ewompem Bema wentomenwo wo ema afemu nso Amaje Esa Enyaduwe bi to say asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso Amaje behwe na watenete ede amount
say crampo na mefe dware bana so me ho keka me de say zongola chichi e na achimio
Debi Amaje Esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo webubu eguko anase woni pedue nyina ayemre wodane weni ede kire Amaje Herbal Clinic wonomo ewo emfidie wo ho a wonomo ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonomo amaw anwedru wobehu Amaje Herbal Clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di nhwenimu frɛ won ewo telephone number edi di soi eso 0244 877 840 anasa 0205 045 655 ko Amaje Herbal Clinic nanya wa yaresa
Anukwa mumienka na duro ye Mami ekusia na ne ho atɔ ne sei abrewa bɛbɔ bampa eduru ye Herbal Center enura ɛwo wiase mu nyina ye de nubra ene hama ena de ye adwuma enti sɛ yade bi hawa ɛyɛ afabra eduru ye Herbal Center mami ekusia na ne de ɔbɔbɔ yi esan sɛ ye wo nurses for ene doctors for ma kwadare ɛwo nubra ene hahayo mu asɛ ye adwuma ye nimpa sɛsie mpo de ya sa akɔfa toxic machine ɛde aba de simwa toxic bi ewo mu bia eyi ni na ema hoto pa enunti se opa hoto ewa brabo mu a eye dro ye Herbal Center se wo ba ye nkyenya ya de bi ewo so bia be furu so akọ ye wo abienim junction ye ne handset hairdresser ana ben wo ha ubetimi afra 0599 419321
Adwo we just many who dance and medjo man for bropa. Metre hunchu capsules. Abada why makana be kare ni. Hunchu capsules e wo hon mo a. Entre ma prostate enye kese me hawo. Omanfo amodun so tentem. Mo amodun so so a ne mo yam ya. Anase mo ntimi nyonso kora. Bodo so so ne mo hihye no. Obo ana do so no kora mu apan bienu na ya bese no ho. Obi so hon mo a. Do so de tenten wan kan ho kora no ya do so gu no ho. Ebi so do so no kora twetwesi. Sa man hunu woni mo nyina. Ehu muaye ene hunchu capsules.
Menia no ma. Ya mani hunu ba ko ya fichi kuro mu nsem. Na me sei Araba Bazen pills ageme pa. Enti me kan forma mo. Sa wo kwa fichira. Wa ya sitimi hwe wo sa na wo ho meti. Eto da bia emoja nitimi ba pi dodo. Ana kra se bia na twetwesi. Ebi so kwa de emakra. Emoja nitimi ni mu afusa ne yie. Eto da wo kwa kra mpo no sa no ho kani be hia. Wo no ni afichi kuro mu ha wo nkaye ni nyina. Eho adro. Ani Araba Bazen pills. Araba Bazen. Ena be ma wa your best man na opese wo ye no.
Odan ko LB Amuafo. Na twumesi Kennedy Drug Store. Well Green Pharmacy. Mama Doris wa Asenfosu. Francis Mensah wa Asenfosu. Frank and Doctor Pharmacy wa Esekuba Dobem Brakwa. Anebutu afre Kurumpe for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Know that you need your help and no one else.
Hey, I said you're ready. Ya shemu kenapa. Kwa kwesi edu Herbal Center. Yai ana yedi GD Herbal Mixture ediaba. Yedi nubra ene hahamani biafra. Eti sa ye koko, diabetes, prostate, malaria, fever, typhoid, and asa within paiwo, loss of appetite, stroke, sciatica, body pains, and asa opese immune system no ejina sodia. Eye GD Herbal Mixture. And I was so no. Since I no, I too sure. One room GD Herbal Mixture de Vino. Afedia. Oh, Yam Kunim dear Herbal Mixture. Sa stomach ulcer, BP, menstrual pains, and I say menstrual disorder. Nadia, a Yam Kunim dear Herbal Mixture. And I was so no. A dray, Oko Drastobia, a Biwaho, Open Duduatua, a Yafre number 0545 595070. And I say 0247 037564 FDA Ajia Tumuse Eje. That's right. Sanya me pena na wayenuni. Ha! Wardrobe we fe papa. Hemkunya na wayenu. Ma mentenem kakra ha de. We and your friend is stuffing chairs no. Otenemu a, otemu say yes. Watena konya mu pa. Enye kotwen bia. Apro na wayenu so. Nkrofo nsa no ofe. Ebusuafo. Me kire New Life Wood Enterprise. Omo sem na mekan. Say bia, opese your kitchen cabinet. Ana say nkonya wardrobe. Dia opese stuffing chairs, teacher's table, the school chairs, bibia, apono, any furnitures be a upebiano. A new life wood enterprise. Anya no kwa. Say be a person ye preni, and as a person ye curtain. Unia na person preni so and as a person opapa unia. Nini na ye bi. Esan say a house ye so me, meaning so much. I say ye juma. Ye wakama boabo. Akwasi akwa. Junction ne so pe. Ebra wonam kwan ne so no. Ubetimi afrey 0246 41 86 84 and I say 0247 18 4375.
Abina, yanitam yankwai. E wo se me kope adro no mu. Me nanti kakra na ma bre. Awati egu me so.
Me so me ntiapo. Ma hojo. Ma posu tutu me. Me chinkase ye me ya. Me ntini mo twetwe me ankasa.
Iboye. Ah, na awafa ada mo so ane. Won chenkra ne ebe yo. Yantiapo na anwum ye. Me dia je. Na heba fo ya wo ye na heba mix ne na fever mix no. Wo mo de adufufuo bia badwa so a ye fra no na Ibo mix. For general well-being, I don't asam yare yo. Ambassador a betumi adwumaden na Ibo mix no eye ma obi a ontumi na anasa ne honam ye ne mre etumi anwututuo wonu mu akenkan what yes wo na okro no
na yenu matuo ye yentumi ni din so
enu na mo behia na herbal powder ebesiese mu nipadua no ahoɔden bɛba na aduane bɛyɛ mo de amamati biadi
na herbal powder
na yebenya bi wɔ he enye na wɔ pharmacies herbal ne over the counter shops dodo a na herbal ventures for 0244 774 206.
FDAG Jedin Krato Yatum.
Driver, jina. Na for me ko obadi ensa wom herbal clinic. Na me for many coach amansa ko ka dientia. Obi ade ne yade ko hono mo a. Won fa ne yade ensa mafie bi. Na onya na yaresa. Wo pani besi na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo yade, wo mo say yade bi a ha obi a wo kwa wo mbesa hwe. Yade bi ti say stroke, hypertension, fibroid, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempo. Ujale na wuti wo ho saa, wuti wo ho gria obo wa kuhu mesra yade aka wa to dem yade bia help ya wudi kopie mo obade ensa wo mu herbal clinic a won beti ne te say ye yefunu yade ana wuti pai wuntumi ngo bema ana oba ntumi ngo oba wo ne bema da wo huntumi nsane wo bema wo de boss wa no agemu yade be ne ha wo wona se na atatai ana se wa honhono moja broso ana wuni moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo yade bia help ya obade ensa wo mu herbal clinic timi say te say ye 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura kwa akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na se wukoyi folder wukohu doctor ye screening ehunu ba bia yade ne hye ni nyina ye free bitwika wo krom ha obiafo me hyen a ne ho adanse enko an odie doctor no yade wa bene kwana kwaja yalehwe obade ensa wo mu herbal clinic ewo achim odan ada a eben masalachi so mills wonom pe number no 0532333372.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma-Adwuma.
Chama me uniema, hey, I'm passing to a mugu. Honey, Maria, your son to Adia, why? I reckon take me who be Gina, Mame uniema, hey, I'm passing to a mugu. Honey, Maria, your son to Adia, why? I reckon take and it's a fact that I can't deny. Someone please tell me why. Me I feel pay the price now. Your love took me by surprise, and it's a fact that I can't deny. Someone please tell me why. Me I feel pay the price now. Then one Pepe, love me Pepe, oh, come on, choco Pepe, Coco que mi madre, Coco que mi madre, Coco que mi madre, Coco que mi madre, sa 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 to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa no one kumi to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa 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 to sa no one kumi.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
share some baby. That's of food ya tad and yako yego. A video be you who fin. Madam Vida, open my dear war Jubilee Hospital in Chehuana, no pay me chow. Alright, so I got a couple of birthday wishes. My main yana Yentim Fiona, Yentim Kodija. And did you know segment in the Ebeko Sudan? Our tribe will Sudan. Ebekonia could do Hong Kong, BBF Alright, so today happens to be your birthday, Maria Isifu. Maria Isifu. Today is your 28th birthday. I could point out not to one condemn. No more be my papa. I need my schedule on your papa. I need me one way at chair. And then it's your birthday today also, James Adichre. Anyway, your butcher, Obian country will say James Adichre teaching. What's radio? I remember when I was the headmaster of Ashley's Memorial Academy, Downsuman Shabu. And then I employed this guy over for interview. Hey, she's you to be near that. I was like, so right from then, he became my best friend. So James Adichre, Downsuman Shabu. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Auntie Baba birthday. Alright. This my auntie is gone. She died last it was like last 6 years. Auntie Baba. And I make glance through my birthdays ni my Auntie Baba's womb. Kechire very simple free echa so Madam Pat Kechire no Madam Pat to a government hospital ya wo fase echa and ye echa birthday so echa yanku ponshira opa ebe yin ye oba pa se wo mami a no goon same to so mamia. Oh, mammy, me penasem style be abuse me who need that. So, a chan, Yanku Poncha, happy birthday to you. Oh, mammy, and the offer Shabu, Wabna Costi, and then myself. Oh, offer for you now, in your adjoin your papa near the Gua. I didn't know boy be I didn't say much, and it's all offer for. You're going kind of and one send everybody dinner word. I didn't know chan. Happy birthday to you from your mother, Madam Pat, our government hospital. Mishro Yarwa ya die bia to be hye wo so a e ma wo bibia kwofom pa won't say when in you be BMO. Edidiemu ejumemu, you can't even concentrate with your warriors. And you know what to show so Mr. Ronaway and 10. Now wait me a swan on a BBI Camadiama. When you know malaria not wash also. Say your pompo. We are Bema now on Bema, Yomu and Swania, Mr. What it go no white, syphilis, said diabetes and also. Na wo pressure so ti mi free cost ro pa mi sro e be hura bo se da kwa ati na wewu e run ti na eduro ye herbal center ya ba ya se fa won yare wani na be dan he yare wa bia to ahye wo su bia ro ye wa doctor fo ni nurses apa bi no ma kwadre mu e wo ye e bibi duro mu ye de bibi duro krojin e na be sha wo yare Sebi nso awo ho na sebi ipedua na koye se hyen erunti no wo hu foto bia wo ho amesira wo abrani wo se wo ko check out ayesa wo nam kwan so na wa break it down erunti no edro ye herbal center ya bomodin akra fidie wanwa so bia ye de wo hyema ebetimi ayi yarewani ni na wo se yarewani wo skin ni mu na baby anwi bia won so tokuro wom di wura body nim erenti ni ye di chef die we ma betwen yare we fin bia wo body nim bia pie na ma wo kidney ho atone pa na ma wo liver won so atone pa hwehwe chiri kwan wa piani junction ye ne Handset beauty salon e bon hwe ni mu na wa chim so edro kwantin pon so Fred Doctor 0599 419321 0599 419321 Where draw your whole bar center Yakosa wo ho yare wate John Cool Ventures Moti yenkura ye muti yenka yekura yenshem asi yekobon sanwano yekura yenshem yenkura hwea yekura yane Club ni Guinness products. Sadine ni diemu doko. Sansuna kasa preku product bia. Every tonic wine, Alombo K20, dry gin, and one nikita yenshema yedi be. Yede chiremo shen. Yes is a wo be. We be a bar, we be a small pub be. We be a drinking spot kit we be. We be a woton yama wakwan. Michira drinks baby ba ko pa betimi akoto ba ko akwache fridge ma akoto no dopo di akogu shop mu Don Cool Ventures enu ntino pa ba matwa wadan ha hie ni na baby ba ko pe mon tutru me kana mon ko Don Cool Ventures ya wo Sunny Star Plaza Bronsan ni mu Otla Jubilee Hospital pe ube hu Don Cool Ventures ya wo ho no mo brana betu ni ama no Guinness any club product ni na brabetu na fako na ko tonya faso bubruja friend 0555 486990 and answer 0556 252668 Don Cool Ventures yes bra na beto ni low na konom ne high Global School of Aviation Management Bina wenije ensem tureduma ihu anaso se opese we air hostess flight attendant we tour guide hotel manager and receptionist Global School of Aviation Management, Yaba Ediamao. Courses are NAB, Hospitality Management, Tourism and Cultural Management, Airfare Ticketing and Reservation. So when you also obey media and communication, so what way depa Tutrumika Never Kenton Chrono KNUST Ben Hopa Ewo Kumasi. Na courses are mebo boss na yamfa busumi nsia yamfa ntetewo. Ye wi ensure ya more certificate emudu pa ICM certificate UK. Ntinu ye SHS na we wi school afina wo twen wo resource. Na say what today we that all your wasi resource holder, diploma HND, O level and A level degree, and I want to ready. Brana be apply. I also be entity our Global School on Aviation Management. Sansuna your Global Remedial College. Yenya no more SHS. I feel no more SHS. The replacement and foul. And I say foul cram is raw. Baby Banko Power Benyantity, Mudopa, Eminko, a Global Remedial College, lecturer General Art Business, General Science Visual Arts, and then Home Economics. You bet me about Bishia courses winning now. Everywhere your college home, Meruntino, Mammy Papa. Afina ye Obaniko SS Damishro Global Remedial College. Ye beshena ya titin ye pa. Yes, also your special vacation classes. Edema SHS for no mobile fee bosumi mi anse chi no. But if you obey us what intimi show enrolling no. Shana me kan ye no your Kenton Chrono. Ye benke NUST Kumasi. Everything baby bibia wo ye Ghana hanum ni na ye wo hostel facility aso ye pa e ho ye neat pa everything baby bibia wo fi bia no wo ba obenya baby pa dadu ti ato na we hia de kama Rem 240595 8478184 and that's 0245 052166. That's not Fred was 0553 314679. Global School of Aviation Management. Yes, Brani and Tito. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Manson. I don't see no problem in a Fakwa Dime Papa. Mr. was a cement na wopato. Gas some cement, Simap cement, Diamond cement, cement brandy beer. Jam Trading Enterprise. Yawaho Edema, so open that door. Iron rods, F16 AM. At the Kokota rod, POP. Plasterboard fiber wheelbarrows. Center panel, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, meter, then we see Hunya Mebia. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Manson. Our honum Edema, na we see dine you know. Was Sandy painty papa home champ. Eddie appear was painter what the fire binding one, Miss Ropa. Gaya in fear do noom in Aichi. Ne Danny Gusutija. Ya watch him or down Comedy Junction, Yanija and a bone shiny moon. Fred Chema 0208 123872. 0208 123872 and that's 0244 566880. Fred Chairman, non in India, then she won't come on.
The Mid Morning Show. The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
The painter tono, I baby, yeah, train Guinness Book of Records. Some obe jaji, painter tone. And I mean, so may be me fee up and me flyer. Casa ton. Sorry, I no pa ko sie enyumre me kasa sa na wotwe baako. Kasa ton. Me na baby ana camera si bi so. Me didi ana me kasa. Me dware ana me kasa. Me da ana me kasa. Sabi me yo ana me kasa. Ni ani kasa. Enti kasa ton me kasa na wotwe baako. Enti enche me ni me flyer be ba bontin kasa ton. Kasa ton yi dan san ye be ye na wasi ye didi ni emu ye du pa. Promotional Enterprise. Ma me se we be provision shop. Na wo pe baby akwa akodi dwa begum. Aton wanya mfaso egu boto. Mr. Woko store na we tire ho na dia wa asem. Enu nti na Promotional Enterprise abadi ama o. Enu nti ni se wo pe mackerel. African Queen Obapa. So pe ye oil. Sunflower, their cholesterol, low cholesterol. Yeah, or you are obedia and functions on so bonny via embryo. Obenya be a Promotional Enterprise. Tomato paste. There was such a money, there was 10 money now, Sabe can be. Sansuna, you perfumed rice. Long grain perfumed rice. And more ye baku. So open local rice and so on Sabe to me, I can be a local rice, you know. And yet there won't one all boom gre no. Yenya time where you come on who don't eat. Ofa from point to uncle from me you munimu baku. And into no toy and I will hold one. And one I don't share the year pa. Saupe biscuit toffees, milk, needle. Yeah, baby, careful in here. One will fufro. Ope Dianya Makodano, Latoji, Cerelac. Mr. Wankoto, a tire hodum and a boarding. You two for 80 and Koto, a tire on a boarding. Or from Promotional Enterprise, no go to be what it. Shall we buy a cosmetic shop once one? Ubenya a year in Kumpa Papa. Sanya wo skin tiebia obenya wo so ne wunkun wo ho na wa perfume kakra andra se me ko friend pon ko gi perfume bi yo ne say oh bra perfume we ya tron princess na me say oh boy be man so me ko to perfume ya tron princess I say bra wo buy ya me te wo ho scent no and this scent we match pan etiene wa wo twa me hu bia sent now oti at the Promotional Enterprise. It's not sure you tira kwan wo krom. Achimo down station wa Mandarina Hotel asie ho na. Sanso na ye wo ye new market in Kwantenu. Ya baby stores ni bebre wo ho no ma. Enyama na egu ye Mandarina asie ho no. The same thing obenya wo en Kwantenu branch no. And internet how won so if you tire wo ben Mandarina ho a kroma Mr. Obeko ho no akoto sanso na se wo ben ye new market no so be ye sharp Mr. Electricians am wo kromu ni am fam ani ntire Frimpon electrical shop na monkoto wo electrical cables ni na pliers ya wudi be ye adwuma ni na Mr. Washo abapa wo sika so Asia Bra Promotional Enterprise beji wo one for example ceiling fan and ya was standing fan ya wo wall fan wo fan bi wo ho no ma amota ba 360 no eno na ya dia bo wo no ho no eno ntu benya bi wo Promotional electrical shop open cord and ya say we speaker chi dia ma phone and ya ma wo amp Mr. multi socket Promotional electrical shop ye wo akwo na na bronsan ye ni ne bo hwe ni mu Fred was 0244 897-525 and answer 0242 111236 Mami fa wen wie na Yentie nyumba kumienu bi na memba. Lion fan, did you know? And I make a choice to Sudan. Ya kodi nkomo wo Sudan. And nti na wase me kona me kwa check is a plane no bibia yo okay. Level 360 pa me shro pa. Ye wu ye bia Janet ye ni ye. Level 360 pa bia pa bu stronkwa ye bia wadan ye nya bo so me mienu kra. Na so anwa dia ye wo kromu anu edin ye pa. We are here to give you or to let you feel the ultimate experience. Party nankasa. Yama u feel abrochire wa Ghana. Over level 360 power. Onya nice view for pictures. Professor we infonia. The place is so nice. Say we infoni crowd being who saw Ghana. Oh, media like get back okra. Me trouble could be so was it. Okay, I wait. So no, I think last Christmas me call London. I was in London. Yeah, I spent like 2 weeks in London. So when I was in London, then I took this picture. So I'm into that. Every 360 here and me go channel. The place is so nice. What do I ho about ho? Any beji ye pa. And you know, every day be a party, and especially weekends need ye India grow cry. But Shannon so say this Saturday, level 360 pub, yes, also airborne live bamboo. Yes, it's the new 18th opre. Yeah, now can open your Trinity. So I will say, seat and 7th March, you know. Yeah, 1 DB. Yes, starting 14th for February. Vals Day, we have bomb solid live band. And then the feedback was massive. Never see it twice. So the seat and 7th of March. Yes, I'm with the Geneva. And then feedback never no crowd, bro, 14th the So this Saturday, yes, also bought live band. Our level 360 pound. And until Friday way, if I guess in bra. After a long week, a long and stressful week, why you do my son? Make sure Saturday, Brandon enjoy some live band. But Friday, so you tell me honoma. So we person will host a birthday party. And now host a ho person we a reception be wo. We person organize event ki to bia. Mr. Robert boy ahume. Wunti ahwe ye free. Ahoma na wo bom ni kire se wo ma ye ano babai ye bedi ano babai. No wa share boss in fact program no be ba so. Organize baby a mo betina ne ade ni na mo drinks bibia shana wo be ba no wani entintan yen say wo be say nipa no don so wo pacho ye kotina o akunya na da bi and no frey en pe ye be prepare wo place entunya ba ya pe o si pacho me na be birthday no near the marco baby a mo be have mo fan no simple friend was 0540 535-777 050-0540-535-777. You watching Madam Mantra Junction. We be do on a signboard in this work as here. And into the bra level 360 pub near party. then no, yeah, did you know segment, you know? Yeah, the Wuko Sudan, Senameka. So we have a tribe in Sudan. I can't tribe a Kuoki Trebi. I was Sudan from Mundari tribe. Now, of course, I crew is I was Sudan. People were on 70,000, 70 to 100,000. Adwuma moya wo hokese pan so amonya nantwie. So South Sudan na obehu sa Mundari tribe way. So when you say South Sudan the world's youngest country gaining independence. Ghana in a penny. South Sudan ketwa kra onunya ni independence in the year 2011 yeah. Mekasha Uba Mundari tribe we mo ya tentia brane pa and then mostly no mo kala ni tuntum pa Adwuma mo ye wo ho ekromu ho nom ene so mo nya nantwie so wo nantwie a say the wo cars wo Bentley be for no nantwie na no mo de yo bibia mo de yo transaction mo de yo bibia I don't know, I'm ton one of the school fees. Ultimate the Kushawa was a head me banning school fees in Metia. Ultimate the Quajawa dear. I don't know what the young Bibia. And the Union is Sudan, baby. We are both here, so South Sudan. Mundari tribe on the baby on one. I'm more stress so. It's more desert so. The tiene wo honey clean at your pan, let your cocoa, and they are very dry. Everything show who you're doing will hopper. Ube to form show back Ukraine will be few for more. And in two bizarre some more day. I won't show a crabby almost, but sure no almost utilizing a pan. A crown almost has we. I don't know, boys, no more honor. And now Krobu Hono man kasa nantwie no sabi omo Johnson. You never knew this. Say you wo Krobi e woni pe bia mo nantwie no Johnson no de wo horo manim. Am de wo horo manum. Omo sore no pe no no am de wo horo manu horo mutiri na di dware. Ko she nantwie na sesa no nantwie no Johnson no di dware. Before then, we jari you know. Omo boa ye clean and one di jautu. Na clean na shia na ye black bi no mo dia aye hair dye. Dia stress ro mo hunyo manimu ni na. Esanse mboa bi wo ho ye omo ba na ntwie ne ho. Di bi so asrasra na ntwie no. Ise na mboa ni ntimi nwe omo. I wish you can join me on Facebook now. Me the videos, ni pictures, ni biacho. And then before I will be around with teenage age, me try to be so aware. I was say ye timid pentua. Na ye di idea since sign we nim. Na ye draw a ye nantwie abebeng e wo mama so. Ozi I say ye draw nantwie abebeng be miensan ye the sensan honum. Buy ya this in science or Bama this in science and sound. You saw your fresh girl, your fresh boy. You who say, what's your idea? Now, more idea, almost you soon in Chino. Pa, ye, named Chino, Emiocono. Almost no raw. Sounds soon as a mukum named Chia, Mojano, no muscle. Omo mamu jani ngufu, omo so mo jani gu adi. Omo di aye aduane. Just no ni omo spices. Some the bear for you, some the bear than you. So this Mundari tribe was South Sudan. So did you know and they brown no? You know Kofi announced when you be say, hey, yes, in Kofrobi was South Sudan. Say no more here.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Get this couple of Facebook comments, I'm reading and I'm sorry for your time. I know I bit. So this one is from Daniel Coleman. I've been watching the show live from Ahafu, Kenya. Say number 2 Jericho, and then Charles Abna Yakwan face near familiar. Abna family number of Facebook never me. Then DJ Links is also TFE Adum stores. I watch more than Roman. Another quiet chow. So you are in tune with us. Honey, did you make Jenubeshi? Any DJ Shabu Emmanuel Jumo. Edition the bro. Big ups to Kwabna Kosti. Baby Bia will be a numerator. We'll enjoy the drive with you. There's original news at 12 on so I'll be taking over the radio. Premier Brandon Kwabna Jenfi DJ Kobe K. Yankupon ya do much na your best sound so Asia. Yankupon show BBA ya train in. I didn't video to Hanuma with you. Bye bye.